Welcome back to Make It Mondays, and this week I'm working on a new blanket with some more donated yarn. This time around it's going to be some homespun, so it is a very soft acrylic yarn that is very loosely spun, which some people find more obnoxious to work with. I actually love it because it works up super fast. So I've got white, red, and I have actually already started the project. The first color was brown. So it's going to be 6 stripes, and I'll be back to show you how the pattern's working up. Be back in a bit. So I have finished striped 1 and striped 2. So it's time to switch the colors to stripe 3. Like most of my projects, I am slipping the first stitch, but I also have already cut the yarn off from the red. For this homespun yarn, I do tend to leave a much longer tail than I normally do. And then I'm just going to knit across. So this part is nice and boring. So it's literally the right side rows are all just knit across, and then the wrong side rows are where the actual pattern is. Now this is a variation of one of the patterns that I sell on both Ravelry and on Etsy. It's the simple burp cloth washcloth. Simple burp cloth washcloth. I don't remember if the other name is in there as well. And I do also sell the finished pattern or finished products for those, along with a car seat blanket. But it's all the same stitch pattern. It's just a matter of how many stitches do you want to do. So I'm going to finish this row, and then on the way back I'll show you how the actual stitch pattern works up from the wrong side. So finish the first row, working on the way back. So both edges are garter stitch. So again, it was the slip one, and then it's going to be knit 2, purl 3, knit 3, all the way across. So it's just a knit 3, purl 3 all the way across, and then the last is going to be knit 3 and then knit an additional 3 for the edge. And it's this row, and then inverting the knit and purl stitches on this return row. So it's 3 rows to learn to do this pattern, and that's literally it. I do have it written out for different sizes, but all I've done is make it big size and change the gauge to make a blanket. At the end of this, I will be weaving in all the ends, but other than that, that's it for this blanket and how it works up. I will be back in a bit to show you the completed blanket, and be back in a bit. And here is the finished blanket. So 6 stripes in the same pattern all the way through. And remember, if you've made it this far, please consider giving it a like, and I will see you next time on Make It Mondays. Bye.